You certainly have heard about fennel before, haven't you? Fennel is a medicinal plant used for heartburn, gas, bad digestion, and stomachaches. It can also be used as a tranquilizer. Fennel has antispasmodic, stimulating, relaxing, vermifuge, antirheumatic, anti-inflammatory, diuretic, and antioxidant properties. Another well-known herb that has the same properties as fennel is chamomile. And, did you know that chamomile tea can play the same role as fennel for most of its effects? If you want to learn more about chamomile, watch this video. But, for now, stay where you are and learn all the benefits of fennel tea. 1. Contributes to the digestive system. Fennel can be used to aid the digestive system, which has been known since the times of ancient Romans and Egyptians. 2. Aids in respiratory issues. Fennel is also used as a homemade medicine to treat some respiratory issues, such as bronchitis and chronic cough. It can also help to eliminate phlegm. 3. Fights fluid retention. Since it has diuretic properties, fennel helps to avoid fluid retention and the bloating that comes with the condition. 4. Heart health. Did you know that fennel can also contribute to strengthening the heart? This is because fennel is a source of antioxidants and vitamins. That's very interesting, isn't it? 5. Fights free radicals. Since it has antioxidant properties, fennel contributes to fighting free radicals, which are substances that harm the human body and can favor some diseases, like cancer, Alzheimer's, and others. Besides also causing premature aging. So, did you know these benefits of fennel already? Watch the video to learn how to make a powerful tea using fennel seeds. But pay attention, using fennel is contraindicated for pregnant and nursing women, as well as for children under 5 years and patients with hyperthyroidism. Be careful with excessive consumption of fennel, which may cause allergic reactions. Hope you like our video. Thanks for watching.